Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a drawing video on the Pygmy Falcon. Or at least a how to draw video on the Pygmy Falcon. And this time I'm going to actually color the drawing as well, because I have my color pencils right here. Yep. And I have the photo of the Falcon right here. Yep, and I'm going to draw this. I mean, it's not like the Peregrine Falcon. This is more like an African Pygmy Falcon, because I find them interesting and stuff. Or any type of falcon that, for that matter. I'm going to draw it right now. And draw the face. Yep, I'm going to draw the talons. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna draw the legs right here. Let's get the photo right here. You should get the full shot. Yep. I decided to draw the whole leg for this one because the legs are kind of longer in other photos for the Falcon and stuff. They're going to draw that back. Nah, wait. I'm not trying to erase it too hard because I don't want the phone to fall off the stand. Wait, I got a few more corrections. I'm sure I draw as gently as I possibly can. Draw as full as I possibly can. I'm gonna draw like this. Then I'm gonna draw the tail feathers as well. Tail feathers is kind of long too. Yep, kind of looks like a bird to me. Or at least it's a falcon, at least. Gonna draw the large eyes. Falcons usually have... this is too large. I'm going to erase it a little bit. I don't know if Pygmy Falcons are just as fast as Peregrine Falcons, but Peregrine Falcons are usually the fastest birds on the planet. Usually I base a story off of them called Falcon Force. I'm going to draw the thing around the eyes. I'm drawing a little bit more detail as I usually do. going to there's a lot more detail I can add, but I'm just going to add like the let's see. There were a little detail right here on the beak because I have Pygmy Falcon, and I'm going to add some shading. I'm going to be light as possibly can because you know Pygmy Falcons are usually more gray than black. Gonna add some shading. Oh, this doesn't take up too much memory on my phone. Because my phone usually doesn't have that much good memory on it. There's a gray area. And around here, it's usually like a light white. And there's a little pigmentation right here. It's usually brown on the top of the feathers right here. I'm going to actually paint it brown right now. A little brown right here. Yep. And it's this female gray right here. Might have fixed the camera a little bit. And since there's a little black right here, because there's a little black on the bottom of the tail feathers, not tail feathers, the bottom feathers, right here. I'm gonna go for normal gray right here. I can go for yellow. There's yellow spots around the beak. There's yellow back here. And there's yellow around the legs a little bit. It can depend on which Falcon. Sometimes it's yellow, sometimes it's orange, red orange. Depends. Okay, yeah, there it is. Sometimes it's red orange. Yeah, I'm just going for yellow all out. Yeah, I'm going to color the tail feathers now. Because there are certain spots on the tail feather as well. Tail's usually black. Leave in the comment section. Leave it in the comment section if I should have dropped the Peregrine Falcon instead of the Pygmy Falcon. I wanted to be more unique when I draw and stuff, so I decided with the Pygmy Falcon, the African Pygmy Falcon. These birds are really small too. They usually hunt mostly termites. Not termites. They usually hunt insects and small mammals like mouses and stuff. They're really small animals. Yep, and I guess that's the African Pygmy Falcon. At least I got it from the photo. Add some more detail. Maybe I should add white a little bit. I mean, the sketchbook's already white a little bit, so you can't really see. Yeah, I can't really see the white. Well, as I paint it right here. Maybe the camera can actually catch it, but I can't really see it that much. I'm going to color the talons, which are black. Yep, and that's the African Pygmy Falcon. Let's see, y'all. I got, well, yeah, could be a little different. It's definitely more bushier in real life. Well, that's the African Pygmy Falcon. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like my drawing, and that's it. Maybe I'll name this as the normal Falcon. I'm just gonna name this as the normal Pygmy Falcon instead of the African Pygmy Falcon because I'm not sure if I got it accurate enough. So I'm just gonna call this video "How to Draw the Pygmy Falcon," and that's it.